are rolling into module 2 of our Primavera series. In this module, we are gonna building the skeleton of our project schedule. Here's what we're gonna knock out today. First up, we are gonna set up the EPS. It is like a master folder that keep all your project tight and organized. Next, we create a brand new project. After that, we are gonna set up the WBS. This is where we divide the entire scope into clean, manageable sections that matches our drawing and BOQ. And finally, we add activities like excavation, concreting, etc. By the end of this series, you're going to have a clean, well-structured Primavera project that's ready for logic, resources, and cost loading. All right, let's first set up our EPS. It is basically our company's main folder system inside Primavera. Think of it as a project family tree. Let's jump into Primavera icon and start creating a new EPS node. So double click on this icon. And in this window, fill your credentials. After that, click on this connect button and press OK. Head up to this top menu and click on this enterprise. And from this drop down, select EPS. A new window pops up, and from this window we can create a new EPS node by clicking on this add button. We can change its name and ID by simply typing. We can also add more branches to this Civil Builders EPS by simply clicking on this button. We can also change its name or ID from these bottom bars. We can also change the sequence by using these arrows. After assigning your required EPS, click on this close button. To visualize this EPS in a chart form, click on this chart view icon. We can again change its layout by clicking on these buttons. Our next step is to create a new project under this construction node for our warehouse project. So first navigate to the top bar and click on this file button, and from this drop down, select new option. From this window, select your construction node and click on this next button. Specify its ID and the project name. For this project, I choose WCB as an ID, and my project name is Warehouse Project. And click on this next button. Specify the start date of this project. Let me assume this date to be 2nd November. And click on next button. From these three dots, assign the responsible manager and click on next button. And click on finish. Now our new project is created under this construction node. Let's change our industry from this admin preference. Click on this industry, and from here, select engineering and construction. And click on this close button. To open this project file, click on this open button. In the next video, we are going to create WBS. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.